Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Tutorial Lore. Today we will explain staking crypto explained. Staking is a process in cryptocurrency where you lock up your digital assets in a blockchain network to support its operations, such as validating transactions and securing the network. In return, you earn rewards in the form of additional cryptocurrency, making it a popular way to generate passive income. Cryptocurrencies that use proof of stake, POS, or similar mechanisms rely on staking instead of energy-intensive mining. By staking, you contribute your tokens to a pool or directly to the blockchain, giving you the chance to earn rewards based on the amount staked and the network's rules. The benefits of staking include earning rewards, supporting decentralized networks, and avoiding the need for expensive mining equipment. However, it also has risks, such as potential token price fluctuations and locking up funds for a specific period. Staking is available for popular cryptocurrencies like Ethereum 2.0, ETH, Cardano, ADA, Solana, SOL, and Polkadot DOT, with varying returns and requirements depending on the network.